that, baby? What's that? It's a cat. Oi! It's a cat. Oh, you're looking at the camera.
La 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 la. Você pensa? La 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 la. Support so iman so. Why fortune? So so ni
tu fa nau lo au mama no funia tu bala la mama tu le li ya so ma fa tai da no wa o mai o ma tu fe lo a si
tai
ma tu bi ia pe o lo ma tu ta ma.
Hi everyone, good morning. Sunday today. My mom and dad and my older sister, they're going to church. So I just got done with chicken stir fry. This one's corn for Amaya. She loves corn. And now I'm just frying flounder. Got my bananas ready here. I was gonna do like a fatty with coconut cream, but then my dad asked me to bake him, you know, like umu. So we're gonna be doing that. Bro's out here wrapping his presents. He's got so much presents already. So I feel like a coffee, and this is like my go-to. I don't know where my sister got it from. It was in a pantry, but I'm definitely gonna take these to Australia with me. It's so freaking good, and you don't have to add sugar. It's already sweet. Well, if you like sweets, then probably gonna have to add sugar, but I'm not a sweet person, so it's so nice. Cute. Okay, so this is our tu'unai. We have bananas, flounders, stir-fried chicken, and salad. Yum! Can't wait to eat. Pick that up, pick it up. So, it's the evening and older sis just made us bangi popo. Hi! Bangi popo. Waiting on the last batch and also the kikoko so that we can all enjoy these bangi popos. Hey! Yeah. Yummy. Oi. Go like this. Go like this, baby. Here. Yucky. Leave it. Yucky. You want to go inside now? Want to go?
Yes.
She's starting. That's. Go, big girl. Morning, guys. It's another day. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Just going to have breakfast with my mom and dad and these little monkeys.
Okay.
Wanted to take them out because my dad wants to get out of the house and explore. So we're currently in Ormiston. We're gonna go to the coffee club, which is our family favorite cafe. We're gonna go have breakfast there and then we'll see where we can go to browse. I don't know, Ormiston Mall is pretty small. So I want to take them to a bigger mall where they can, explore and enjoy, look around. And yeah, just a little family day out today with my dad. He wanted to come out. This is actually, I saw this on Instagram, but when I came here and saw it for the first time, it looks really nice inside. Just the wrong location, I think. Yeah. Might do a bit of Christmas shopping today as well. Let's see. I washed my hair last night, as you can see. So today I want to get it, I want to get a haircut and also a blowout for Christmas. So, ooh, wow, I need to go in there.
Today I'm gonna go to the warehouse. Today I'm gonna go to the warehouse.
What do you want to get from warehouse? You've got gifts already.
But I'm getting more gifts. I don't have enough gifts for Christmas.
Probably do it here. I don't know.
Have enough gifts for Christmas.
We'll have breakfast and see. I just want to get my hair done right now. So I don't like how it looks.
Enough gifts.
There they are. Huh? The classic ones?
Yep.
What do you mean?
Glue stick, the sapata toast.
Oh yeah. This is mine. Eggs Benedict. It's mom's.
I tried that
Nuggets
before.
for Gabriel.
I haven't tried that.
And you're gonna be eating what I'm gonna be eating. That's burger. Yum!
Konupe masina ko sakan. Ne? Ma is was spare parts.
So we had to drop off my mom and the other two because they were distracting us. But my dad wants to go out. Kali dad, Kal. My dad wants to get out of the house, so that's why he's with me right now. Just gonna, I don't know, maybe look for some clothes for him to wear on Christmas Day. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring Amara tomorrow or tonight. Oh, I'll probably bring them tonight. Oh. So just quickly getting my nails done. Just gonna remove these and then just do gel on my natural nails. So I got my nails done. These are all my natural nails. I wish Amaya was here, but she's sleeping. He's just scrolling. It's not bad today. I was just gonna go in Farmers, have a look around, and see if there's anything that he likes from there. And yeah, so nice taking out. Ah! Baby! Ah! Alright. Hey guys, so as you can see, Amaya's all ready, which means that we're going to the mall to get some Santa photos. Just her, me and my sister, her son, and Amaya. So yeah, look at Gabriel's outfit. You look so good. I love your outfit, Gabriel. So many people are, so many people are getting this outfit. They love it so much. I couldn't even find Amara's size, otherwise I would have gotten the same outfit for Amara. But Amara's wearing her, I didn't take a photo. I got this last Christmas. This outfit last Christmas, but nah, this is deer.
What was the like? like a reindeer.
Yeah, we'll see if we can borrow some at the mall. You know, the spikes thingies. But yeah, this is the second outfit that I got her for last year, and it still fits her. If you've seen my other vlog from last Christmas, but she didn't get a Santa photo on this outfit because she had another outfit. So she got 2 outfits, but luckily I brought this one because I knew that she would still fit this one. This is gonna be her Santa photo outfit. Look at your socks. Excited to see Santa?
Yes, I'm excited to buy more Christmas presents.
Oh, really? You've got so many Christmas presents already.
Maybe.
So you guys, we're gonna be going to the mall. I don't know, I might go to the Ormiston Mall because it's closer to where we live. Don't know if it's gonna be full, then we'll probably head out to Botany, but yeah, let's see. But yeah, Christmas photo day. One more day before Christmas. Yay!
Very nice.
Take photos. I'll take a video. Yeah. Mara, look. Baby. Oh.
Give a smile.
Looking around. Amira.
Give a smile.
Amira. Amira. Oh my goodness. She's like, what is going on? Yay! Yay!
Yeah, that's some nice one.
Yeah. Oh, yay! Yeah, that's nice.
Awesome.
Start looking away and just look back.
Can we choose after?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
just showing that there are some that aren't.
Yeah.
Okay, all of us?
Perfect. Yeah, all of us.
Are you real Santa?
Is there one of her looking to the camera? That one? That one? Okay, we'll do that one. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Wonder what they're talking about. Alright, so me and Lana are going to get our Christmas shopping done. Look at our big trolleys. We're gonna get the whole bag and say shit.
Everything good.
Hot.
Oh, 2 juice.
Yeah. We'll get some juices. Alright, just got stuff for my curry, chicken curry. Lana's getting stuff for the oka and crab salad. It's not that busy right now. Almost there. We're still going. I think we need more trolleys. Oleh ayah. Oh my gosh. We're like the only ones with full trolleys. What about the hampers? Oh my gosh, my trolley is getting heavier to the point where I can barely move it. Oh, these hampers are nice. Lucky we didn't bring Amira. It's time to check out. Hopefully it's in our budget, otherwise gonna have to readjust.
Nothing else.
Oh yeah. Hey guys. So, oh my gosh, look at that. we don't have a Christmas tree. Well, we were late to getting a Christmas tree, so this was the one that, you know, apparently we're all gonna go to Otara. I heard they've got really nice Christmas lights over there, so I want to go there. It's gonna be my first time, so I'll take you guys along with us. I'll see you guys there.
No, they can't drink like we. None of them.
Alright, we managed to find a car park all the way at the end. Now, let's enjoy the lights. Some of the lights. We're not going to go all the way there, just these ones. Alright, this is another light. Those guys are selling all day. Okay. Those guys, they're selling curry and rice. Oh wow.
Auntie, look at the little Christmas tree.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, these ones. Oh, nice. Wow. All right, that's it. Let's go.
That's creative.
That's it. Let's go where?
Look at me holding two babies. One baby and a big baby.
And he's a kid
Oh, is that a
too.
Samoan family? It looks like an island family selling curry and rice. Oh, cute. And that is Otai over there.
Can we go back again? Yummy.
Otai.
Yummy.
We're looking out for some barbecue.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna keep driving.
Okay. Alright, it's Christmas Day. We're currently decorating our mini here. We were hosting our Christmas party for just us and my mom's family. Merry Christmas! He's already bringing in his gifts. He's already wrapped himself. Are you excited to open your gifts?
Yes.
Did you wrap all of them?
I wrapped some of them. My mom wrapped the other ones because they were too hard.
Oh.
Alright, go on.
Okay, let me open the Myra's one first. What's a Myra's one? Maybe this one's a Myra's one.
Oh, there's one for Amira. Ah.
Yeah, let's open the Myra's one.
Look, Amira. Look. Yay. She only likes Teddy. Yay! Alright, let's see what you got. He already knows what he's getting. If it makes him happy, that's all that matters. Baby, oh, that's so cute. Oh.
Que hacían la música.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Dance, dance, dance.
Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Why are you surprised?
Oh, whoa, look what they done.
What? The fact that he's so surprised when he's already know what he's. Oh, Christmas. Look at this. Look at our decorations. The famous curry.
A sperm whale is louder than a jet.
It's got eggs
Than the airplane.
Potatoes.
Engine.
and bacon. Yum. Alright, we on. We on, people. Mom and dad. Older brother in the barbecue. Hey, 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 hey. See what my dad? Shiva. The barbecue boy.
I'm good. What's your name?
Mà đủ ngu cái gì vậy à? Cái mà trong ngày Việt Nam gì?
Con sẽ có cái này hả?
And we've got this going for the kids. Look, baby. Look. Plane. Airplane. 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 You want to go in there? Huh? Oh, awesome. There's Amara's outfit. Show you Amara's outfit. Nice and soft. I've never had soft brownies before.
Wow.
What's that? Mercy. You right? I love your t-shirt. Thank you. $2 from. Yeah, I was actually looking for a t-shirt for me, but. Yum. We have chop suey. Yum. And then, oh, my curry, the curry that I made, corn. Hey, careful. This one, I believe this is Kobe Massimo, I think. Yeah.
The trip down this way. With that,
Where you want to go, baby? Oh, you want to go in there? Okay, let's go then. Yeah, let's go. Okay. I wonder if it's hot. Alright, it's all good. Remove your shoes, baby. Yay! Yay, Amira! Jump, baby. Jump. This pie. Oh, yum. Pulingi. Yum. Potato salad. More food coming. ladies and gentlemen, we've got salmon. Beautiful, beautiful. Salmon. What's this one here? I think that's lucipi. Lucipi, Tongan luau. That one is, ooh, ham. We've got ham. Ham. Damn. So many food. Can't wait to eat. What's this one here? Barbecue fish. Salmon. But different, I think it's a different way they made it. Kalo, yum. What's this one here? Sausage. Sapasui. Oh, eu fiz sapasui antes. My curry e true. Oleh samangi leo. Esse foi fanho. What say? Jag kan inte plamo. Yeah. Amaya with her auntie. Look at the kitties! Hey! Y'all enjoying, eh?
Oh, you're not doing? What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Salad.
Salad.
Gabriel, look after her. Look at these ones. Jump!
Let me kill the giant.
Okay. Jump, baby. Careful with her, Gabriel. Careful with her. Slide. Yeah. Enjoy, chillax. Yeah. Yummy. Alle amal beso dia. Everyone's grabbing their food. So much food to choose from. Yeah. First plate of the day. Hey, careful, gentle.
Oh, the key. What's a key to success? Yeah, that's a key for key to success.
What's that one? What do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite. What's that? What's the other one? Careful, gentle, baby. Gentle. Baby? Tutu? Oh, you want tutu now? Okay. Let's have tutu then. Everyone's having dessert. Yeah. Auntie Emma. Got the boys here.
Pretty.
Oh, my baby. Naya, come. Oh, look at Naya. Oh, he just came from Wellington. How are you? Good. Oh, I miss you so much. How was your flight?
Good.
Oh, look at Amira. Look at your cousin.
I bought a present for her.
Oh, did you? Oh.
I left it in the car.
Oh. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Such a big boy now. Thank you for coming.
It's alright. It's about New Year's.
That's not for you.
That's your favorite. I'll have our cash.
Thank you. It's a female Bailey. Photo time. Dad. Nah, she's not here. Hey! Oh my gosh, look.
What's that?
It's nails. Baby, so naughty. Alright, and that is it for Christmas Day.
Hi, baby. Wait, you want to come with me?
She loves outside.
Hey, where you go?
She loves outside.
You can't not that one.
Yeah.
Look, airplane. Airplane,
Airplane! Airplane! Airplane!
I'm old enough to get my own phone now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hi! Hi! Merry Christmas!
I always seem to get mixed up with Auntie Baby and Auntie Memo.
So, one of our friends came and they brought quinoa. So good. They also brought this that they did at the beach. So good. And that is it. That's our Christmas. Yeah, ole aia. Ole aia. Nothing much. But yeah, this kind is so good. So grateful because quinoa in New Zealand is so freaking expensive, or just anywhere in the world. It's amazing. Oh, here's someone. Here's someone. Alright, let's open Manaya's gift for Amara. This is Manaya's gift for Amara. Oh, thank you, Manaya.
Does she want to open it?
Yeah, I'll bring her.
Ice cream?
Yeah, later. Amara, look. Open.
She want to open it?
She's still a baby. She doesn't know how to open it. Come.
She does know how to rip stuff.
Yeah. Open. Look. Yeah.
So want me to turn it on?
Yeah, it's on. Rip it. Oh.
Wow, this is your mama.
Oh, look at that.
It's a water book. Oh, it's also got the pen. A pen.
Oh, magic water book.
Can I show her how it works? Look. See? Look.
Oh, it's a coloring book, is it? Oh, nice.
Oh, it needs water. Do you have any?
Oh, does it?
Oh, we
Oh,
need
to use water pen. Oh, wow. Where? Oh. Wait, keeper.
Here we go. We have some water. Hang on. Wait, I wanted to draw on it.
Wait. Let Manaya do it.
We need Oh, Gabriel.
Yay.
Mom, can you show me?
Yay. Oh.
Here. You put water in. Oh, whoops.
Wait, be careful.
Yep, we need to be careful. Here we go.
Oh, nice.
Okay, my turn.
Here, grab yours. Where's
I don't have mine.
what do you say?
That's
Oh
mine.
yeah, I love
You got my one. You find it.
Oh, her one. She has.
That was my one.
What? No, that.
Wait, let her play with it.
That's my one. Not
Let her play with it.
Wait,
Mommy, that's not yours.
Kalani has her present and she has one, so she might think that it's hers. Do you want to turn to the next page? Well, oh wait,
There's water on the floor, so you can do it there.
Yeah, just use that water.
oh, but you
Nah,
just
leave
put
it.
water in the pen.
Okay, cool. Alright, she can play with it tomorrow. But thank you, Naya. Thank you. Siki? Ready?
Mama nào mà ôi luôn nào mà cô em ôi ai phải sâu môi phải xem môi à ôi ai sẽ yêu mà cô mà lulu chút ôi luôn ôi sẽ mấy mà cô cả cả luôn mấy mà cô mồ ôi luôn mama em mà nó xì ôi mấy phim
Ja, maar kom, je maar zitten.
Officieel of aan.
One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on my knee.